small little streak there. Right down there.
I've seen a lot. I mean, that's another bad case. That's as bad as the one Throwdown was talking about. Yeah, I think the one I saw out of Zach's case was Rangers, but it was, no, it was Mariners with a nasty, it was a nasty Mariner pack. The looks of the cards are nice. Did you see the Jeter on eBay? The Jeter on eBay is silly. Look at this thing. Let me see if it's focused. Look at that thing with the Nike tag. That thing's gross. Good to go. Make sure I'm on the internet. I'm not on eBay still. Yes, I am. I'm gonna go 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I knew that spot was gonna hit. Hi, welcome to Chili's. Nice win, A-Diggity Dubs. Last one did 175, transgender. Mariano Rivera, number to 25. We got a tray in the queue too. We'll do the tray after we throw Mariano. 19 per. Looks at yourself with so much more, so pretty. He has the nicest autograph. 7 left, let's fill it up. Fill this up for Joe. Throw down in the building, throw down, you put in an
I didn't touch the auto. Scrubbed it all around. You can see it in the light. I took off all the grease. Card is clean. The little surface scratch is gone. Now I find this at the Dollarama, $4. It's got a light.
You don't want 22 demo?
It's a little smudge of wax on there still.
We got 3, 7, 8. I got 1 spot left. Throw down.
I said just be careful, don't get any wax on the auto because it could smudge it. Turn it around, check the back. They generally don't clean the back unless it's got super dirty or scratch. I'll just wipe it with the dry cloth. Try to get a cloth. This one is a little rough. This is the better one. I usually buff the wax with this one and then polish it off with this one. Always brush away so you don't catch the corners when you're going this way.
I'm going Jet 7, Jet 13.
And then check the edges. It's pretty solid. Tiny is iffy. If it does come back a 9, it'll be because of this corner, but it's barely noticeable. But yeah, running Mauricio, Sterling Auto out of 125. I'm predicting a 10. And then put it down. Take the glove off. You don't want you to get your fingerprints back on, so try to. I usually like grab this soft sleeve here, grab it by the edge really gently. Always open your soft sleeves like this. Open the gap up top, pull them apart a little bit, and slide them in. They don't catch the corners.
You want to talk about it? You got it.
Card saver one. These are the Ultra Pro ones I've got.
You got it, man.
Right here. Semi-rigid graded card ones. That's what I've been using. I can't find the card saver ones. The card saver ones don't fit as snug, so they're probably a bit better. But then I just take it, kind of pinch the side a little bit, so you can see the flexes a tiny bit. Slide it in, nice and loose, like that. Slide it all the way in. Keep going down there. Kind of pinch it a bit, especially with these thicker chrome cards. You don't want to kind of loosen it a bit. See, now it goes in better. Sorry, put it down to about there. Now guys say put tape on it. I don't put tape on it because the guys could pull it off with the tape and actually damage your card if it's too good of a tape. So I'll put it in, not a team bag, but a graded card bags. This is what I use. Or did I use these? No, the graded card bags that fit the graded cards. Chopped them before.
Yeah, that's not quite Jamal Murray. We good to go? Pretty sure I paid.
This.
I paid.
All good to go. But I actually don't do that until I have like 4 or 5, and then they fit in there snug and they don't move around. And I fit like 5 per bag when I ship like 15, 20 cards, so I'll put 5 per bag. So yeah, there you go. It's all ready to go.